sound here. Hello? Yes? Sound? Yes. Okay. I think we've got sound. Fantastic. Fantastic. So tune in.
Chris Meadows.
Hey, Chris.
Hello.
How's it going, buddy? For something fun and entertaining, and I'm going to try to bring it to you. All right? So thanks for tuning in to Hat Nays Garden. I'll see you guys on a live show.
Chris Meadows. I can hear you.
Oh, good. Thank you.
Chris Meadows.
Hey, Chris.
Hello.
How's it going, buddy? That looks good. Yeah.
Chris Meadows. I can hear you.
Oh, good. Thank you. Good, good, good. Let's turn this down. Great. Okay, so good morning, everybody. I hope everybody's doing great. The speakership is still up for grabs. It's interesting stuff going on around what's going on with Washington politics right now. Um, 6 votes they've had. Now, back in the 1800s, they had a problem like this, and there were like 130 votes. So it's not the first time this has ever happened. Here comes the cleaning crew. Oh, cleaning crew Thursdays, baby. Wow. Yes, we've got cleaning crew Thursdays happening. Fantastic. That's always fun. Well, let's just turn the cleaning crew camera around. So if there's any activity going on out there, you guys will see all that. And we can pull this down.
Master Waxer. What up, Nay? Hot cup of coffee.
Hey, Master, what's up, buddy? How is it going? We've got up here, we've got the Ratios. He's still showing a, just showing a sell symbol. Just flashed sell. And not on ETH, but it is on
Patrick
Bitcoin.
John Welder.
That means it's going down.
Good morning, Nay.
So Ratios says we're going down. There was a small head and shoulders pattern, and it is resulting in this drop. So and hopefully it won't be a long sell. Oh, the sell button just disappeared. So it's flashing on and off. That's interesting, and we'll see. We'll see where it goes. Hey, Patrick. Let's get rid of that. Okay, great. We could pull Ratios up here. There it is again. There's that sell, and it's on Ethereum too. Very cool. What's going on here? This should be more like that. Okay, great. Yeah, there's the big drop right there. There it is. Let's see if it goes under 250, if Ethereum goes under 250. I see there's not a lot of people here. So let me refresh the Rumble if I can.
Patrick John Welder. What do you think about Cardano? Even though it's up, I think it's a good buy at under $1.
Yeah, Cardano's great. It's 25 cents. 26 cents right now. It's about 27 cents. It's going up. It's the only crypto that I'm getting APY offline with, so I highly recommend Cardano. Anybody that wants to hold crypto offline and make APY.
Casper. Morning all.
Hey, what's up, buddy?
What's up, man?
Hey, there you are. Give me a second. I will be right back in 1 minute. Okay, good, we're good. Okay, so we're good. I got some great tasting coffee this morning. Wow, look at all the people watching on Rumble. Hello, Rumble. Wow, what is going on? Why can't we see this? There we go. Okay. Now if I click on this, yeah, we can still see it. Great. Everybody came over to Rumble, huh? All right. Right on, man. That's great. You know, Rumble's the free speech platform. We like Rumble. We can do and say whatever we want over there. We can watch movies. I can play music. We don't get copyright strikes. People get notified when I'm live. Here is the skull. I think I showed it last night. I think it's pretty cool. I think maybe we'll just put it right there. Right? That's a cool spot. Like that. So I got this. And I got one of these. So that's going to happen. We'll see if Jiminy's ready.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
I like to smoke with Jiminy. Jackson Hinkle said that America should invade Canada today on Twitter. You have any thoughts about that? Jiminy? We lost Jiminy.
I'm sorry, man.
What?
I just gotta pack this bowl. Hold on.
Okay, it's so funny.
Yeah, I know the mic's like that.
But Jackson Hinkle said on Twitter that America should invade Canada and just take it.
Oh really?
Yeah, he's such an idiot. I go, dude, you're just screaming for attention, and it's so desperate. I'm like, you look like such a fool and a moron. You're not even funny. I mean,
did I miss the flavor
if you're
of the
trying to be
coffee?
ironic,
I've been trying diff flavors
it's
lately.
not working. It just makes you look like an idiot.
Yeah, you're right. It's just yeah. I mean,
No, it's just
there's
coffee.
been a lot of talk eventually. But
It's just Pete's coffee.
I know that I need to smoke. Wake up.
Let's do it.
All right. Cheers, man.
Cheers, Jiminy. No law regarding cannabis. Everybody, Michael Haskey, and everybody that's over there on the Rumble. That's Notlin, and I saw Token Tony Z. I think. Cheers.
Michael Haskey. Cheers, bro.
America is like Canada.
I think Canada could take America.
Hippie chick. Cheers.
We did once a long time ago, but that was like 200 years ago.
You guys are just tougher.
Let's talk about it. Yeah. I don't know. I would never want to get anywhere with it. But it's just Jackson talking shit.
It's beautiful.
Mr. Blue 710
Baba Blue
13.
Dogs.
GM.
Baba Blue
Josh
Dogs.
G. Morning Nay.
Good morning. Hey, Josh G, Hippie Chick, Michael Haskey, all the old schoolers. Look at this. I got a bunch of old schoolers up in here. What?
Hippie chick. Morning Cyber.
Cyber's not here.
That's me. I'm not Simon.
It just shows you how often you watch the show, Hippie, that you thought that Jiminy was Cyber.
I'm Jimmy. Oh, Jimmy.
Josh G's over there on Rumble. Token Tony Z's over there on Rumble.
Michael Haskey. What kind of coffee you like and how do you take it?
It's Pete's with this creamer from International. God, it's so goddamn good. This is a buy signal, guys. I mean a sell signal, guys, from Ratios. Sell. Meaning it's going to drop. Very interesting. I came within $11 or $12 of my call yesterday when I said it was going to go to 17. $12 away. How do you like me now? I told you I'd tweet it out. I did. I'm pretty sure. Or I took a picture. Maybe I didn't tweet it, but I did take a picture of it. Here, look. I'll show it to you. In case you you think that I'm full of shit. Here is the 24-hour low and high of Bitcoin. I told you it's going to go to 17. It went to 16,988.
Morning dabs too. Sometimes the coffee makes the wax taste way off.
It's interesting that you say that. It depends on what your sweetener is and what kind of coffee you're drinking and what you're smoking. Yes, the flavors can interact and they can interfere with each other. Absolutely. I've noticed that. But generally, it's a good thing for me. I mean, it tastes good to me, not bad. It enhances it. Coffee enhances cannabis. Cannabis enhances coffee for me. It seems to, at least. So anyway, I just want to brag for a little bit about that 988 because I told you that Bitcoin was going to hit 17,000 last night. You remember? And I was only $12 off from my prediction. I don't know, man. I just think that's great. I deserve something, some kind of recognition for getting these right. When I call a number out like that, bro, I put that shit I put it on Twitter. You go look at my tweet right now. It says, we're going to 17K. Most likely. Oh, my bad. 16,988. Close enough. Give me love. Give me some love. I feel no love. I have nothing. I get nothing.
I'm on Jackson Hinkle's shit. Just on
Good.
this shit about trying to take over Canada.
Good.
I'm still waking up and reading this.
That's your
Josh
job.
G.
That's your job. You
Well,
do that.
I got me a wrench, hells yay. Thank you, good sir, I feel honored. Great crypto call.
Well, thank you, Josh. Thank you. It was a great crypto call. That's all I want. I want someone to give me some goddamn
Oh, yeah.
recognition. I mean,
Mr. Blue
my own
710
mother won't give me any
313.
recognition for making these
Love.
calls. My own mother doesn't love me. So I come here to get what my mother won't give me, which is love. I need your love. I need you to give me love. I need you to say, hey, Nay, we love you. And you know what? You were right when you said that Bitcoin was going to hit 17,000. You're only off by $12. You're pretty good at crypto. We love that about you. That's what I need. I need some of that. No?
Got it, man.
I get it from Jiminy, I get it from Baba Blue Jaws, and I got it from Josh G. Hey, I'll take what I can get. Thanks, guys. I will take it. It's better than nothing. Thank you, those of you guys that did play ball with me and responded. I appreciate that. Because, eventually...
Hippie chick.
Thank you, hippie
Great
chick.
call. Michael Husky.
Eventually...
I love you, Nay.
when I
That's
learn how to
awesome.
start
How close you
trading
are
and
on
making
that crypto
money off
shop.
of these calls, then maybe I'll get some recognition. But I swear I put my money where my mouth was the other day. I told you guys it was going to hit a low. I made that purchase, and look where we are now. So, I did put my money where my mouth was on that day. A lot of money. So that's...
Steven running.
We can
Good
find
morning.
out. We can find out right now how much money that's making me. I'm kind of curious if it's in profit. Excuse me, guys. Yeah, let's see if I'm in profit on that little move, that little money move I made. I'm making money moves. Hey, Steve Running. I'm making money moves.
Steven running.
Yeah.
Salad.
Yes. I am making money on that trade. So I bought It was 109, right? I had $109 of Bitcoin, right? So I'm $101 in profit on that trade. I'm $101 in profit, but actually it's 81. You got to subtract, or 61. I think it's $61 in profit. I think it was a $40, right? I think it was a $40 fee, and I'm being totally fair when I say I had to pay a fee too. So I'm like $60 in profit on that, which is great. It's better than it's sitting in the bank and getting no profit. That's the way I look at it. I mean, you can look at it in the bank as being more secure. Yeah, totally. It is. It's there for you. But I got more of mine than you got of yours if yours is still just sitting in the bank. Mine is worth $60 more. And that's real value for me, man.
Master Waxer. Wait, only using $100 you made a small profit. I'm listening now cause I can small trade like that.
No, bro. No. Only using $100? No, I wish. No, I bought about $4,000 worth of crypto. It was almost a quarter of a Bitcoin. It was $4,000, and that $4,000 has now made me $60. That $4,000 was just sitting in the bank. Now it's sitting in Bitcoin, and it just made me $60, which, like I said, is better than me not making anything at all. And I'm looking long term anyway. The more Bitcoin I hold while it's cheap, the more money I'll have when the price goes up. You know, so I'm an acquirer. You know, I'm a hodler. I'm acquiring Bitcoin as much as I can while it's cheap. And for me, you know, these prices have been fantastic because I was buying Bitcoin when it was, shit, I can't even remember. 16, what was it? 16.3 or something, or 16.4? I can't remember what that purchase was. I can look it up really quick. Yes, I bought $4,000 worth. When it was 16,387.
Hippie chick.
And because I
It
did
was
that,
higher.
I got 60 more bucks. It was a good call.
Master Waxer.
Now,
I see. Okay.
I could literally take my money out of there and walk away with $60 and be like, "Hey, I made $60 on a trade." You know, this is the tiniest little bit. It's not even really a trade. It's just a hodl move. You know, it wasn't like a quick thing. These guys that trade, they make decisions in 30 seconds, man. 1 minute. They're looking for quick hits, and I just don't have that ability yet. You know, I'm still like on a very slow pace. I'm not a trader yet.
Josh G. Banks
But
are
I like
such
learning about
assholes
this.
too. I have a credit union known for some of the best rates in the state, and in my money market account they only give me 0.1% compared to the 0.05% in the checking savings. Josh G. It's unreal. I agree with you even if it's a little riskier. Lee Spanner. Good morning from Twitch.
How's prison taste, Andy boy? Andrew, there's a guy named Andrew Tate in the Racious chat. How's prison taste, Andy boy? I love it. All right, so I got this glue. Okay, I don't feel any seeds in this. I'm good. God, that one that had the seed. And it was so bad.
Lee Spanner. How are you doing in crypto market?
I just made $60 on my last Bitcoin purchase. It's $60 up. Actually, it's $100 up from where I bought it at. But $40 I have to take out because that was the fee that I paid to purchase that crypto. I had to pay $40. So I'm $60 in profit on it. Very, very small amount. But, you know, my Harmony purchase that I got at a penny is going to be a big yielder. Wait till Harmony goes to 2 cents. And then I'll show you some profit. Way more than $60. There is a downward trend right now. It's trending downwards. Everything is. Am I still packing this bowl? It's gonna be a big bowl. Did it flip on support? 13. Someone's calling 13 ETH today. It's 4:20 in Newfoundland. It's time to smoke. That's what I say. No Lowry Gunny Cannabis. Cheers, Jiminy. Cheers, everybody.
Cheers.
Mr. Blue 710's 313. Cheers running dash. Josh G. At what point do you have to report earnings to IRS? I'm always scared to pull out in the positive without any knowledge on the taxes, fees and whatnots. It's why I haven't tried trading yet. Hippie chick. Cheers.
Cheers, everything. At what point do you have to report earnings to the IRS? Got to do it every year, bro. By April. I mean, you're only making earnings if you're making more money than what you put into the investment. You don't have to report if you're not actually getting more money than what you put in. For instance, I'm completely upside down on my crypto, so I don't have to report anything. I'm losing money right now. Losing money figuratively, of course, I understand I'm not losing anything, but I don't have to report these losses, you know, because they're all going to come back. And depending on what, if you're offline wallet or if you're on an exchange, some exchanges will handle the taxes for you. They make it pretty easy. You'll be You'll be pretty depressed at how little money you actually make when you see those reports, you know?
Josh G. Oh wow, okay, thank you.
Yeah. Check your, you know, I have an accountant that helps me with everything. Impact is down. Of course it is. I have accountants pay for it all. It's like easy, easy. Next song, Races. Why is Bitcoin going down? Explain. It's a good question. Why is the price dropping right now? Maybe some of the market excitement has died down from the Fed, right? It's a good question. Sometimes I feel like such a barbarian with this instrument. It's too rough with it. That's very Jimi Hendrix right there. Keep going. It's the Jimmy note.
Josh G. It's lovely, bro. I'm enjoying this.
Yeah. I don't know why I don't have ratios up on screen. Easy. Take it easy. I can't smoke when I got the guitar in my hands. It smokes while it plays the guitar. Yeah, there's a drop. It's at what, 16.7? This is nothing. Yeah. It's not dumping. It's not going to dump. You're about to see a reversal here. We're at 24 hours already bouncing back up. So So it just finished that. It just finished the effect of the head and shoulder pattern. So it's gonna rebound. You're gonna see buy signal coming soon. Yeah, people want to short this, and it's not going low. And they're like, it needs a drop. It ain't gonna, bro. We just gotta see what the next pattern's gonna be. Right now, we're after a drop like this, you just gotta wait for the next thing to form, Unless you're looking at a giant head and shoulders pattern forming on the 24-hour. This would be huge because it would be an upside down head and shoulders pattern on the 24-hour. This drop could very well be the head of a giant upside down head and shoulder pattern on the 24-hour. Yeah, so means up we go. Test, retest, 17K. A job report's coming out. So job report's coming out soon. This could be anticipation of that too. That's why you check the 24-hour shows a 24-hour shows a decline overall. The trend is your friend until it reverses. After 24 hours of dropping, it generally will reverse. So we've got a trend, a 24-hour trend of a drop, right? 24 hours, it's just been dropping slowly. Generally, after about 24 hours, something like that will reverse. So we'll see, because that should happen. If this is a upside down head and shoulders forming, this is the reversal of that. So we gotta wait now. We're gonna have to wait. If it goes in sequence of that head and shoulders on the 24-hour, it's going to be about 4 hours before it formed. I'd say 4 to 5 hours before we know if the just watch for a normal head and shoulders pattern, because there's a normal head and shoulders pattern, but the reverse head and shoulders pattern is forming after it, and that's great. You want the upside down head and shoulders pattern to be the last thing, and that's what's happening. I mean, you can see it on ratios. It's really obvious on ratios.
Bloomberg and Fox Business for market news.
Look, right side up shoulder, right side up head. If they get another right side up shoulder, it drops down. But after this right side up shoulder, there's an upside down shoulder right where this buy flag is. So here you've got an upside down shoulder, And here, you've got an upside down head. This falls after that. So whatever happens last will have the most effect on what's going to happen next. As of right now, we are looking at a head forming on a head and shoulders upside down pattern. So let's just see. Like I said, it's 4 hours, man.
Kalaana 87.
Hi,
Hi
Kellyanne.
day.
Hello. You see that Jim Cramer guy? Oh my god. I'd like to put a montage together of all the people that say Bitcoin is going to crash, it's going to go to zero, and just show this as it fucking climbs every day, going up higher and higher and higher. It'll never amount to anything. Everyone's going to lose their show. People driving their Lamborghinis around and shit. You know? Oh, I love that video. That would be awesome. I think I'm going to make that video. I'm going to make a video.
We don't like seeing people make money. You want to take the risk? Let's see.
I'm supposed to smoke, but my cannabis is so good I forget to smoke. But then Kellyanne arrives and I remember I'm supposed to be smoking.
No.
Kalaana 87. I'm making cafe.
You're making kafafi, 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 and smoking bong rips with Trendy Nate. And Jiminy has got his bong out too. We're gonna hit the bong for you, 'cause we're getting high on Trendy as dabbers in Nate's garden today. When the music stops, the bongs will
Hippie
play.
Happy 420.
It is 420. Cheers. Happy 420, Jiminy.
Cheers.
Cheers, everybody in the chat. The ladies of the chat, Hippie Chicken, Kellyanne, and everybody that's over there on the Rumble
Kalaana
sphere.
87.
Cheers.
Happy 420.
So funny. I'm always making up lyrics to the Rage music too. Today, it did not mean for anyone.
Stephen running. Cheers. Hashtag I vape along.
god, I get so high.
Relatively too damn strong.
Kalahana 87. So have you done anything fun with the Jeep?
I just want to go Michael J. Fox on some shit.
That's not very
And like look around and be like, oh yeah, nobody wants to hear this shit. Ishmael, Ishmael, you Ishmael, you want a Ishmael?
Where's that from?
No, we're going up. Up we go. Drop in volume and value match up. So we go up. Watch. Watch, it's going to go up right now. Here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Watch. Watch. Watch these yellow markers pop on, guys. Bitcoin's going to be the first one to do it. Bitcoin's about to flip yellow. Look, it's pushing. Yellow. Get ready for it, guys. Pushing. Get ready. Who's going to go yellow first? Nope. My bad. Not yet. Wait for it. I thought that was it for sure. And look at Binance is doing it too. Pumping the volume hard. Just wait for that volume to flip green. Everyone's saying the price is going to dump right now. Hell no. I'm looking at that bottom candle, baby. Bottom candle, baby. Bottom candle. Bottom candle. Bottom candle. Dude, boom, yellow flag.
Hello,
Pow!
Make me a Twitch mod called Sweat
Pow!
Kalahana 87.
Exactly as I predicted.
Good.
Boom, exactly as I predicted. There it is, back up to 800. Go through 800 again.
Kalahana
Boom,
87.
through 800.
It did go
Bam!
yellow.
Raise that bottom. Come on, Bitcoin. We're gonna do it. Hey, welcome to the show. We're gonna watch some Bitcoin go up higher and higher. Yeah! 847. Where's my auctioneer guy? 5 and a 15 quarter, 2, 2, 15 quarter, 10, 10, 15 quarter, 5, 5, 15 quarter, 9, 9, 9, 15 quarter, 887, 2 and a 15 quarter, 5, 5. Let's go, folks. 16, 801, 817. Here we go. 5 and a 15 quarter, 10, 10, 15 quarter, 5, 5, 15 quarter, 2, 2, 15, 801, 61, 2 and a 15 quarter, 10, 803, 44, 5 and a 15 quarter, 10, 805, 22, 2 and a 15 quarter, 5, 5, 15 quarter, 10, 10, 15 quarter, 806, 43, 5 and a 15. That's right, auctioneer guy. Bringing up the price of Bitcoin. Yeah, I just called it. I just called this fucking boom. And everyone's like, yeah, boom. They don't like me.
They're angry. They hate things.
I call the chart before the chart does it.
Good thing to be able to do. Wait a little bit longer, then I'm gonna get
Here
it.
comes the buy marker.
Yeah, I see it's going up 16,80360 1000.
Watch. I said buy marker now. Watch. There's gonna be a buy. They're gonna flash buy marker on fucking. They're gonna flash a buy marker on Ratios. Watch. Dude, did we almost had a death cross? Almost. I'm waiting for that flag. I'm waiting for the flag. Give me the buy marker. How many goddams do you need before you give me a buy marker? Come on, Ratios Crypto on YouTube. He's getting it wrong. He needs to get it right. Dude, I need to be one of them dudes that sits in a bar in front of a piano and just be like, hit one chord and just be like, hey, welcome to the bar. How you doing, folks? Come on, sit down. That's a really nice jacket you got there. Where'd you get that watch? Wow, what time does it say? Is it accurate? Is it battery powered or is it powered by the motion of your body? Let's see that body move over to that side of the bar. Further away from me, I get it. You're getting away from the entertainer. Hey, there's some new people. Maybe they'll talk to me. Come on in the bar. Let's order some food and everybody's running out.
No, I don't want to either.
Oh my god. It's so bad.
Is that even a thing?
What's that? What?
Is that even a thing? If it's not, it should be.
They have bars. They have these lounge lizard bar guys. They do like I love to skate. Skating is great. I love to skate. And they play the piano and they just do like cheesy versions of songs. Lounge lizard stuff.
We don't have that up here. It's too cold. I've heard of that now. Now that you mentioned, I know exactly.
Like just in the background.
Yeah, like,
slow jam. Well, like slow jets.
The fan brush, the fan.
Yeah.
Stick. Hey.
I love to skate. Skating is great. We should all do it sometime. We could go on the curb over there. We could put some coping down and slide around. Maybe catch a Jesus air or a hand plant or a face plant. Don't do that. Not on your skateboard. Now you're on the ground. I love to skate. Dude, look at this rise up that I just called. Look at this. Boom. Where's my fucking where's my buy flag at? Where's my buy flag at? Dude, why is Ratius not calling for a buy? I'm so confused right now. You guys see me saying it, right? I'm saying buy, okay? Why isn't Ratius saying it?
Because Ratius isn't as good as Natius.
Ratius ain't as good as Natius.
Oh.
Ratius ain't as good as Natius. No. Not that good. Not as good as Natius. Natius. It's Ratius and Natius and stuff. We're looking for a green buy flag, but we don't see it. We don't know why. It's going back down. Oh, it's going back down. 801. Wait, it's going up again. There's a fight. 803. See, it's fine, dude. You know, the trend is your friend, and it's trending upwards now. So let's just see what happens. You know, it's an upwards trend inside of a falling trend, but still, this trend, the current trend, is our friend. Skating is great. I love to skate. Where's my buy flag? I'm looking for it. We're dropping. I don't like that. We need to go back up. We need to go back up again. My call sucks because the buy went away. It went away. Wait. No, you can't do this. You can't do this. Bitcoin, no. You can't do this. You can't do this to me. Ratius Crypto, you're killing me. Where's the, I saw an upside down Head and Shoulders forming. Where's that at? Is that it on the 24 hour? Because we could be good. We could be good. Well, but Ethereum's dropping. Let's see here. I don't know, man. I don't know. This trend should reverse right now. But it's just dropping. It's dropping further. It's not good. It's not good at all. It's not good. What's going on right here ain't good at all. That's not good. Okay, there's a yellow marker. That's good. It's got a high bottom, yellow marker. That's good. Woo, come on, baby. Let's punch it right back up through 800. That's all we need. We just got to punch it up through 800. Because I'm not auctioneering it up, you know, that's the problem. 798. No, the bottom's dropping on the yellow marker. We don't want that to happen. That is not what we wanted to see happen. That needs to flip ASAP. That marker's about to change. That candle's gonna change. That 15-minute candle's gonna drop down. That's why he's not showing a buy signal yet. We're looking good. Okay, we got a drop in value and volume again. Really good. It's about to reverse. Let's see how high. 791. Yeah, look what's coming in on Cardano. And looks like Matic might be flipping green. I'd love to see it across the board. Harmony is doing it. Back down to 1040 though. It's trying. It's hitting a point of resistance here, man. It's having a hard time getting up through it. It's not good. Yeah, I know it went yellow, but it didn't punch upwards and get up over 800. And Ethereum needs to get back over 1250. So we're not looking good on the Matic and Ethereum, but Bitcoin is hanging in there. The Bitcoin could pull the market back up. Harmony has got something going on. Up, no! It busted through downwards, man. That's horrible. But it snapped right back. Wow. Big drop, big retest. Holy shit. It rebounded. Let's see what happens. Let's see if that volume changes to green. Here we go. Watch the volume marker on Bitcoin. I could show you which one it is. Oh, wait, they just went to the next marker. It's right here. That's the big point marker right there. $16,777 is what it rebounded off of. So I can't believe it busted outside. There was the yellow marker, but it flipped. I can't believe it busted outside of this pattern and then it came back in. No, now it's out again. Oh shit. Oh my god. My prediction is not going as planned. If this was going to be a shoulder, it would have been okay, but it's huge. But, you know, there's a shoulder and a head forming upside down, so could be good. It's pretty big, too. It is on Ethereum, and it is on Matt. It's huge on Ethereum. So this upside down head and shoulders is forming
Billy Valentine.
on everything.
Morning. What your favorite accent to your coffee? Nuts, chocolate, Irish.
Vanilla. Vanilla creamer. I like whipped cream in my coffee. I like to put some whipped cream in my coffee and have some when it's hot, when it's cool. Yeah, drink that coffee all the time. I'm drinking in my house, I'm drinking online, and I'll stand in line, wait for more coffee, because my Keurig 2.0 is a 3.0, might be out of service. Yeah. I use it a lot. I'm hanging in for another. I'm hoping for a head and shoulders. It's the only thing I can hope for right now. It's a giant head and shoulders to form. A lot of people came in just now and said it's gonna dump. It's dumping.
Josh G. I just learned that I can take my 4 to 5-year-old Keurig Classic and change the brew temp. That was cool to figure out while cleaning, haha.
Nice. Bitcoin's fighting back.
Heavy Padilla.
Heavy
Good morning, Dave.
What's up, buddy? We're listening to some races. I may have just got a fucking crypto prediction wrong. If this doesn't
Josh
reverse
G.
soon.
That shit is set to 190 out the box. Kinda surprised, no wonder I can never sip it right away, smiling face with tear.
What'd you set to 175? I like to smoke that cannabis. I like to get my jar out and look at it, what the buds look like. Oh, yeah, look at this. What's in this jar? I got some buds. I gotta take the ashes out of this bowl right now.
Billy Valentine. I watch Madolf on Netflix. It's awesome. Bernie even talks from prison, and very honestly, he said, I could have lied or failed. I couldn't live with failure, so I cooked the books.
Well, he failed already. Just like Sam Bankman-Fried. Dude, what happened to my reversal? Is this going to be an upside down Head and Shoulders? On the 24 hour? There's nothing, there's a lot to happen. For that to happen, a lot has to happen at this point. But I mean, there was a Head and Shoulders on the 24. And this drop came right after that. It's just there was a reverse Head and Shoulders that came after that, and it didn't reverse it for some reason, man. I would have totally gotten liquidated if I tried to bet on what had just happened. I totally got it wrong. This is why I'm not trading yet. So basically, I just got wrecked. You know? I gotta learn from these mistakes before I start putting money in it, you know? It's not low enough. It didn't go low enough. Well, okay, it did go low enough on the other cryptos. It did do it on. It doesn't need to do it on Bitcoin. If it does it on Ethereum and Matic, it'll be fine. A reverse Head and Shoulders. It's forming on Binance. It's forming on Cardano. Well, not really on Cardano so much. But it's forming. It might form on Matic. It might form on Ethereum. So there's still hope. Could be Bitcoin, possibly. Still, there's a possibility of Bitcoin. But like I said before, a lot has to happen. And I said a while ago, I said we're 4 hours away from knowing if this Head and Shoulders was going to form on the 24 hours.
Valentine.
Dude,
Fucking Genesis, man.
is this gonna dump like those people said, or is it gonna fucking reverse? Basically got, oh man, Harmony is down, but it's trying to fight back up. Ethereum is trying, but that'd be so funny if when Raishes put these tracks down, like he wrote the tracks and did it specifically to the cycle of the crypto. Like he was literally watching the pumping of it and he timed it just right. And so the music goes right on cue with whatever the crypto is doing at that moment. Wouldn't that be funny? Look at that. Binance got a lot of volume. There was a reversal on the trend on Bitcoin. So
Turbo Yako. You didn't get my Rumble rant?
Rumble. I have to look. I have to move this over. Rumbles. No, I don't see anything from you. I see. Oh, Turbo Jerko. There it is. You. Good morning to you. $5. Dude, I see it. It's yellow. I didn't see it because it was bright yellow. That's why I didn't see it. I was like, oh, looking up here. I thought that was like an ad. Thank you, Turbo Jerko, for the $5, bro. You are awesome. I don't know where that money goes, but thank you.
Francesco Moro.
Dude, look at what's going on right now. 793. Bitcoin's at 793. 794. A lot of volume coming in. So Ethereum has got to get up to 1250 though. 791. It's got a little wedge pattern, little triangles pattern. Pretty obvious triangle pattern for me.
Turbo Yako. No sweat, you have a good day. This Twitch ain't working right.
It's not working right? Oh, okay. Come to YouTube, man. I'm Naze Garden on YouTube, bro. $16,800. Here we go again. Retesting $16,800, man. It's through. See, look, you hear the music? It's not my imagination. Dude. Dude, it's fucking creepy. Let's see if it happens again. Every time the music pumps up, the fucking crypto's pumping up. I've seen it happen 3 times already. And it's on this
Turbo, yes,
video.
Okay, this is my phone, oh guess.
Even though I didn't say anything about it, you can go back and watch those volume things pump when the music starts pumping up. It's like the traders are, look at this. It's like they're listening to Ratios. I don't want the music to stop playing. See? Music's gonna stop playing. It's breaking down. The music's breaking down. Cool, it's pumping, dude. It's pumping. There it is. It's pumping up. Look at this. Giant pump. Here goes Bitcoin.
26.9.
Are they going to give me the buy? Are we going to get the buy? Buy yet? Who's they buy?
Bye.
Where's that buy flag at? Look at fucking Bitcoin 820. Everything else, the whole market's reversed. Buy flag, please, lol. I'm saying the buy flag should be up. Everything's reversed. Could this be the reversal of the downward trend? I don't know, because there was a big dip right there. Valentine collection is on Ratios. $8.24, guys.
Billy Valentine.
$8.25.
Rumble money goes where you want it to. PayPal or your bank. Although some say Rumble is just a money laundering machine for Peter Thiel and Colt Ventures out of Tampa, Longboat Key. Billy Valentine. Yeah, I thought I was typing to you.
Oh, that was funny. Money laundering. Dude, we could totally be getting the upside down head and shoulders pattern on Ethereum. If it goes back, it could go up a little higher, then go down again and go up again. Then we'll have a completed head and shoulders pattern upside down. We almost have a completed upside down head and shoulders pattern on Harmony 1 right now, guys. That's exciting. I could show it to you. This is Harmony 1. All of this is Harmony 1. this right here, shoulder, head, and if it forms another shoulder, if it goes down right here, like it's doing, and it finishes another shoulder, we'll have a full upside down head and shoulders pattern on Harmony 1. Hold on 1 second, guys. Oh yeah, thank you. Look at this, 852, guys. Are you looking at this?
Yeah,
Huh.
I'm looking at it. I'm hoping it goes up to 16.9.
Bro. All I'm saying is I saw this and I called it. Why does it dump right first before it goes up when I call them? God damn, scared the shit out of me, but there it is. There it is.
46, 48, 49.
There, Ethereum's at 1250.
Yeah. 1251. Awesome.
That's strong. Now Maddox just got to get to 80 cents. Oh my God. There it is. There's the flag.
Finally.
Finally. I called the flag before the flag appeared. Okay, cool. Ethereum's back under 250. There's only a few tracks, huh? I think we get through them pretty quick.
Turbo Yako. Do a nice live stream from in the casino, yeah, let's go. Red 32.
You're in the casino. Ethereum just hit 250.
Turbo Yako. No. In driving to work, you should go to a casino stream.
Oh. Yeah, I don't go to casinos, bro. It's not my thing. Bro, this is great watching this giant spike. 842, holy shit. 847, 851, 853, 857.
Brap all day. Good morning.
Boom. 855, 854, 856. Brap, what's up? 856 Bitcoin, man. 16,856.
That's what's up. Bitcoin.
That's way up.
Big
Man.
what?
Everything's correcting. Ethereum could form a head and shoulders pattern if it drops again now. It's formed the head. Now if it drops one more time and goes back up, then we have a full-on upside-down head and shoulders pattern, which means we are going up, which is great. Really good signals across the board. If we drop, we're okay. If we go up, we're okay. It doesn't matter. So,
Creepy dope. Creepy dope. Those people up there don't know it.
I can't believe though when I see Bitcoin has gone from 16,400 to 16,850 since I bought it, and I've only made $60. Like I should have bought a whole Bitcoin, man. Then I would be up like 300, 400 bucks. Oh, that's right. I didn't have the money to buy a whole Bitcoin. Look at this, man. Holy shit. 839. 838. It's cooling off right now. But it's a drop in value and volume that's, they look like they're coinciding there on Bitcoin. There, it's going to boost again. Most likely. Wow, and look at Binance is corrected. We might see a reversal from the downward trend, guys. The overall 24-hour downward trend that we were talking about. We could start seeing an upward trend now. Now that means there's going to be some drops, but it shouldn't be so low, and it should start working its way up slowly. This is a good start, if this is the beginning of it.
Billy Valentine. That store I sent you is the only oddities shop in Orlando, so remember it if anyone says they want a real skull, tarot cards or some other dumb shit. Prices will be high, so don't take mark. It's more Iceman status.
Hell yeah. ETH has no more power to pump. No, ETH has power to get up to 1272. It has the power to get over 1300. It'll do it. It might not do it right this second, but it'll do it. Okay, so, wow, here goes Binance. Massive pump into Binance. The percentages aren't really high on anything.
But
Yeah, nothing is high, so it's not a very exciting market right now. We just kind of got to wait. Really exciting to see Bitcoin busting out of this downward trend. Wow, here goes Ethereum, 251. Ethereum is pumping right now. 0.5%, half of a percent. That's where Ethereum is. Bitcoin's at 0.44%, 855, 857, 858. Yeah. Exactly as I predicted. I saw this coming. I don't know why it dropped first. Because, I mean, maybe it drops first because it's got to form these patterns, man. Head and shoulders patterns and shit. But, you know, that head and shoulders is going to form on Matic. It looks like it's possible. An upside down head and shoulders on Matic. Looks nice and clear and perfect. Would be textbook head and shoulders. About halfway up the head, the shoulder is, and they're big. So if Matic drops, we'll see. Right now, everything's going up, which is fine too. Like I said, we can either go down and get a head and shoulder, or we can go up and just forget about the pattern, you know, which is great too. We love a spike upwards. There's a lot of volume coming in. 856, 855, 854, 855, 856, 857, 858, 860, 861. 862. I started saying boom on the chat. Now everybody's saying boom on Ratios. It's so funny. 863. 860.
now we want 900. Come on. Big money, big money. No. That's the wrong way. Didn't like my Italian accent. I really have an Italian. That's the one.
251.45 Ethereum. 850. Come on, Bitcoin. What's going on with that? 847. Healthy reconsolidation. I think we're looking at a spike upwards. I don't think it's going to form that head and shoulders. But Matic certainly looks like it's going to form the head and shoulders upside down, regardless of what else happens. That would mean people have to sell some Matic right now and drop the price 79.26. 79.29, 79.28. 79.30. It's got to go down a little bit more. 79.25. Yeah, go down to 79. 79.23. This is great, guys. This is great. Dude, if we just get this to form on Matic, we should be really good to go. 79.24. All right. Let me just type this in here.
Billy Bong Thornton. Is Bitcoin going sideways all year long? Crypto starting to get boring.
There you go.
79.22.
There's some nothing with. Oh, fuck. Like,
79.22. It's just pause. Dude, drop a little bit more. 79. Get close to 79. 79.22 is pretty good. It'll work. Before we pump upwards, let's get it. 79.23. Somebody's got to sell a whole bunch of Matic and manipulate this motherfucker. Sell. Let's see what happens. Okay. There it goes. That's it. We got it. 79.18. That is perfect and beautiful. And when that goes back up, we're going to have a full-on upside-down head and shoulder pattern that has formed on Matic. A perfect one. If everything keeps going as I hope it will, here's what it looks like. There it is, man. Holy shit.
That's it. There it goes.
Okay, we've got yellow markers. Now we can return and finish this shoulder, which is fine. Yellow markers almost all the way across the board. That shoulder doesn't have to go down any further. It's almost perfect, man. Now it's just gotta move. Even better. Drop a little further. 79.18. Lots of yellow on Harmony. 79.16. 14. Wait for this reversal on Matic, and the whole market should respond by going upwards. Let's see. 79.18. 19. Here comes some volume. There's some volume selling right now on Matic. That's what I got my eye on right now. I got my eye on Matic. So do you. Welcome home. $79.19. Bitcoin will go to 30K back. Someone said in the chat just now. 79.21. Here we got a green marker on Matic. Here we go. We're about to complete the Head and Shoulders. If Matic goes up with the rest of the market,
Horton hears a hoot and howl.
hey,
Can you do Bitcoin in auctioneer voice?
I can, but I'm watching Matic right now. 16, 5, and 50 quarter, 15, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 5, 5, and 50 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 8, 40, and 8, 38, 38, 5, 15 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 2, 2, 50 quarter, 10, 10, 16, 8, 38, 8, 38, 38, 28, 39, to 38, 38, and 15 quarter, 5, 5, 50 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 2, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 10, 16, 8, 38, 72, 8, 38, 52, 8, 37, 28, 5, and 15 quarter, 10, 10, and 15 quarter, Maddox at 79, 16, folks, come on, people, let's go, 3 and 15, let's finish this Head and Shoulders, 16, 5, and 15 quarter, 16, 8, 38, 5, and 15 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 2, and 50 quarter, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 2, 50 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 5, 5, and 16, 8, 37, 7, 24, 2, and 50 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 8, 37, and 15 quarter, 2, 2, and 8, 38, 69, 2, and 15 quarter, 2, 2, 79, 16 on the Matic, 3 and 15 quarter, 8, 37 on the Bitcoin, folks, 3 and 15 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 16, 8, 34, 2 and 15 quarter, 10 on the Matic from Horton Hills, 2 and 15 quarter, 10, 50 quarter, 16, 8, 34, 2 and 50 quarter, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 5, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 2, 2, 50 quarter, 10, 8, 35, 2, 35, 5, 50 quarter, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 5, 50 quarter.
You should just do that all day long.
Jimmy
Be
Carter.
like that guy.
I bid on
That'd be
Matic
it.
16.
You bid on Matic. 833, 7912, 7914. $16,835. Bitcoin, Maddox all the way down to 7912. It's a perfect fucking depth on that second shoulder, man. All it has to do is come back up. All it has to do is finish.
Kevin Monaco. Hi.
Kepper.
Jimmy Carter. That's how they should sell crypto in auctioneer voice.
Yeah, they should.
That's what I'm saying.
Kevin Monaco. Morning.
Hey. We're waiting to see. Ooh, 7911. It's low, man. It's a low shoulder. It's okay. It just has to complete, man. It can go as deep as it wants to as long as it goes back up. $79.09. 79.10. Holy shit. Giant bottom on that candle. That is not good. Matic needs to come back now. It's gotten to where it needed to go. It's tested it. It's checked it. Now let's finish this so we can start pumping. Matic's going to lead the way. Shit, I guess it could go a little lower. And we'll still be alright. 79.13. There it is. 79.17. It's going to finish it now. $79.23. $79.25. Here we go. Here we go. $79.24. $79.25. That's right. 79.26. Draw it out. I don't understand why it's so high. Why it didn't record. But maybe it will. Maybe it'll print once it moves. It'll print lower where it was because it's 79.23 right now. 22. It is dropping. $16,845 is where Bitcoin's just stalling at. Well, while we wait for Matic to form this head and shoulder pattern. It's going to be exciting.
Kevin Monaco. Stoked my seeds germinated. I got 6 Hinud Kush cheese all live.
Wow. That's awesome, bro. What kind of a light are you going to grow them under?
Right there.
Kevin Monaco. Outside.
Oh, the big light in the sky? I like that light. That's my favorite kind. Solar powered. Here goes that shoulder forming, guys. See that? 79.18.
Kevin Monaco. I'm glad I didn't fuck up. I used the mustard pollen.
79.15. $39.13. We need a market rise now. We're good. Next few minutes, it should happen.
I don't want to hang around. Stay still. Right there.
79.12.
Kevin Monaco. One plant gave me 5,000 CDSS.
Wow.
Kevin Monaco. So when I say I got enough.
Pretty impressive. I'm impressed.
Kevin Monaco. EV1 should try breeding for seed 1.
$79.09. $79.06.
Kevin Monaco. If I have 10,000 EV seed is $1.
Here comes a market reversal, guys. This is what we're waiting for, a pump to go back up and finish this head and shoulders. Shoulders almost done. It's going to take an entire market pump, though, to do it. I'm sure.
Kevin Monaco. Jack Herer was right for food papa fiber fuel medicine.
Right.
Kevin Monaco. It's a mice NGT. I got that much out of 3 seeds.
It's amazing.
Josh G. Wait, so is he saying you can pollinate a cannabis plant with other plant pollens?
I don't know what he's saying. Kepler says a lot of stuff.
You know? Yeah, it's good.
Kevin Monaco. Question mark.
You said mustard, bro. You said mustard pollen. Mustard.
Kevin Monaco. Yeah, I bred it.
Oh. It's a strain you call mustard.
I've got this really nice cultivar here. I'm going to roll up. Really like this
Kevin
cultivar.
Monaco. Imgonen Khalid BKF.
I like the terpene
Kevin
profile.
Monaco.
It's cultivar.
Big Kev Fire.
Great. Really feel the viruses. The liminal.
I thought you called it mustard. 7907. 7906. a pump to complete this pattern.
Really?
Kevin Monaco. I didn't accident breed. This was the point, to make as much possible and save what I had. Kevin Monaco. I knew that was rare.
Yeah. 79-13, 79-14, 79-17. Ethereum needs to get back over 1250. $79, 18, 17, 18, 17, 18. Here we go. 19. $857, $859. Bitcoin.
Kevin Monaco. I used regular seed Hindu Kush.
861. Maddox up to 79.23. We are seeing the formation of the shoulder, guys. Finally. So, it's just got to go up, man. Once it goes up, that shoulder's going to complete. I want to see it. I want to kind of ride this out.
Kevin Monaco. Is it gonna go up?
Yeah, as soon as the shoulder completes. That's what we're looking in the top right corner. That's what we're looking at. 79.19. Completing it will ensure that the whole market's going to go up. It's a very strong
Kevin
pattern.
Monaco. How long's it take?
It'll be within minutes. Everything's gonna go. Should go up right up. The pattern's just got to complete. People have to have confidence in it. 79.21, 79.22.
Operation_Daddy. Hey you old man, show me your vape.
It's a bong, bro. Can't you see it? I gotta pick it up for you. It's a bong.
Kevin Monaco. Cheers. Operation_Daddy. Take a puff.
If you insist. Jiminy, we're smoking.
Oh. I got a doobie roll here. Hold on a second. I rolled myself up a doobie. Me and the lady.
Oh, that's nice.
Open the door actually so we don't set up the power line. Please, thank you. Get the just long enough to hyperextend my arm. I wouldn't press that button. I fucking up step back. 13 feet in the air.
79.32. There it is, guys. There it is. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Now the whole market's going to go up. Okay, head and shoulders reverse. Head and shoulders on Matic is complete. Entire market will now go up. Yup, watch this. Every 861 on Bitcoin right now. Everything's going up based on this one head and shoulders on Matic. All right, man, I'll smoke to that.
Daddy. It won't.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Nations.
I think I know what I'm talking about. 865. Oops. I think I know what I'm talking about.
Stephen running. Cheers.
$865. Look at Bitcoin.
Operation_Daddy. Okay.
That's called a reverse head and shoulders pattern. It results in an upward movement after it completes, and it's completed. So it's going to keep going up.
Operation_Daddy. Bro IDK, I am a 17-year-old kid. Billy Valentine. Cheers. New strain.
Well, now
The
you're
buzz
learning about crypto
alongside
watching
Amy
an old
Mutters.
man.
Chops. Kevin Monaco.
That's good.
So is that like a multiplier effect?
It's like a multiplier effect.
Learn now.
Yeah, watch. See how
Learn
it's
now.
see how the shoulder's still going up? At 869. Look, Bitcoin's at 868, 869. I called this. I'm calling this move. I'm calling it live as it happens. 870. Bitcoin's at 870. And now it's at 0.28%.
Operation_Daddy. Bro, stop smoking, you will die off it.
That is a beautiful upside down head and shoulders pattern on Matic. Look at that, guys. Look at it continuing to go upward. 870 Bitcoin. 1250 Ethereum. 871 Bitcoin. 870. There's the buy signal is on Bitcoin, and the buy signal isn't on Ethereum yet. Here goes Matic. Look at Matic.
Well,
Operation_Daddy. If my shoulder is upside down, I will go to doctor, not smoke those fucking vape and cough a room. Kevin Monaco. Who makes the most money on Bitcoin online?
Carl the Moon. And check out that Martini guy. He's about to sell his Lamborghini for 8 Bitcoins. He's like, I like my Lamborghini. He's like, but I'd love to have 8 Bitcoins right now at this price.
I feel like you need a Lamborghini. Well, all it has to do is the numbers have to go up, and then you can get them.
Yep. We just wait for the market to rise.
So,
To rise, to rise, to rise, to rise. Too fat, you must cut lean. You gotta take the elevator to the mezzanine. Jump, change, and it's on. Super bon, super bon, super bon. Too fat, you must cut lean. You gotta take the escalator to the mezzanine. Jump, change, and it's on. Super bon bon, super bon bon, super bon bon. Bow, 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 bow. Bow, 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 bow. If I stole bow, bow, somebody else's wave to fly. Bow, 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 bow. If I rose up, bow, bow, with the avenue behind me.
When I get super rich, I'm gonna buy a diamond crystal speedboat,
some
then
kind
I'ma
of
paint
thing,
it gold.
boom, boom, boom. Some hand is motioning, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. To rise, to rise, to rise. Boom, 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 boom. Too fat, you must cut lean. You gotta take the escalator to the mezzanine. Jump, change, and it's on. Super bon bon, super bon bon, super bon bon. Hey, Billy, you should go into Rach's and tell them how great Nay's Garden is. In fact, hey, all of you, just go in there and mention something about Nay's Garden. Don't be too obvious about it. Don't be too obvious about it.
If you can't sound it out, you can't play it.
But say something nice about Nay's Garden.
All right. I got nothing to do.
Billy Valentine. Then I'll buy all the special shoes for handicapped people. Call all the handicapped people to my house, then set those fucking shoes on fire.
Dude, did I totally call this Head and Shoulders pattern? Did I totally call that? Psst. Unreal. Don't even worry about that reconsolidation that's going on right now. Don't even worry about it. It's going up. Matic's going up. After that, Head and Shoulders, Matic's going up, and the rest of the market can't ignore it. It's such a powerful what's the word I'm looking for? Pattern. Boom, 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 boom. 860. Bitcoin's at 860. Ethereum's got to get back over 1250 though. It's a problem. Fucking, let's see what goddamn Lark Davis is bitching about with Celsius. Not Celsius, crypto. I don't know what the fuck he's talking about. That's weird. Where's the video at? You won't get this chance again. It's an advertisement.
In decades for markets. And that is because that right now basically is one of the best times to invest in, well, basically almost everything. Bitcoin stocks, real estate, bonds, they've all taken major hits this year. We are seeing many
Billy
companies
Valentine.
basically in a sell
There I
everything
talked you up.
state of mind, many investors in a sell everything state of mind. But big investment firms like Vanguard, Berkshire Hathaway, sneaky old Warren Buffett are doing the opposite. They're buying. Let me repeat, the biggest, most successful players in the world are buyers. They're not selling. They know the lower it costs to acquire assets, the better it is for their investment portfolios. What else do they know that they're not telling us. You see, we talk a lot about the bull markets and the bear markets, and when everything's up and everyone's just, riding high on the bull, the euphoria's up, we're all just like, yeah, up only forever. Hardly anyone is thinking like a bear. I've done it, you've done it, we've all done it. Okay, it's easy to feel like a smart investor when your portfolio is up. But in bear markets, when everything is falling, we all feel like idiots. Right here, okay? That is until you understand that even with inflation reaching a 40-year high, now could be an interesting time to be loading up on assets. That's because, according to data from the S&P 500 collected over the last decade, the bull market is not the best time to invest. As it turns out, that's actually one of the worst and highest risk times to be investing. Well, it should be obvious that buying the top of a market would not be such a great idea. More money was invested in the 2021 bull market than combined over the previous 2 freaking decades, man, proving without a doubt that the majority of investors often get it wrong. And while bull markets tend to last longer and to generate moves greater than bear markets, truth is, time after time, bear markets have provided better buying opportunities for long-term investors, rewarding those with a bear bias the most. Bears know it can't rain all the time, and those who position themselves accordingly will get bonus returns when everyone else starts showing back up to the markets. This is because historically, whenever stocks have been down 25%, they pretty much always soared over the next year, gaining about 20% on average, even if a recession or a global depression were to follow up on that. They also always soared over the next 3 years, average returns around 37%. Over the next 5 years, average returns around 83%, and over the next 10 years, average returns of around 214%. Market gains are highly concentrated around big rallies after bear market bottoms, because bear markets always turn into bull markets.
Bitcoin is trending upwards.
Of this bear market is different from others in recent history, because we are seeing it largely being caused by the Federal
Bitcoin's
Reserve's
trending
deliberate
upwards
tightening
right here.
of monetary
That's a
policy
trend upwards.
rather than as a financial or economic crisis, although
It's a good-
they so often go hand
good
in hand,
sign
don't
so
they?
far.
Now, before telling you about strategies to invest, the mental barriers that we all face investing during a bear market, I just wanted to let you know about my weekly cryptocurrency investor newsletter. It's called Wealth Mastery. Look, we just jam-packed this thing full of alpha. So let's talk about how to invest during this tumultuous period. If we know that every bear market
you
in
said
history
something in
has
ratios?
bounced back at some point and turned into a bull market, and that this bear period is the
Yeah.
very best time to invest,
They don't need to
well,
know.
then we're presented with an incredible
Truth
opportunity.
Your
aren't we?
News
And there are
is
two
on point.
main strategies that
Oh,
experts
thanks, buddy.
recommend. The first is a
Check
passive
out Nate's
investment
garden. He talks
strategy
crypto
like
and cooks
dollar
good
cost
eggs.
averaging,
Good.
or an
He
active
cooks real
strategy,
good,
of course,
and he
like
does it
long-term
good.
value investing
Yeah.
funds,
Nice.
better entries into assets.
I was trying to be
Many
like, subtle,
exchanges
but
make
I guess
passive
take a
investing
different
even
path.
easier by allowing users to make automatic purchases on
Nice.
a weekly or bi-weekly basis, and that's for stocks and Bitcoin and all that stuff. Look into
Steve
it. It's largely
Running
the
says
dollar cost
Nate was
averaging.
right.
That set it and forget it method means that you can deploy a 5 or 10 year strategy in seconds by just setting up recurring purchases every single week and just automating the process of investing and dollar cost averaging into your favorite long-term assets. Although no one can predict short-term market movements, and of course, the bear market 2022 may have further to
Is it
run
gonna
and could go
bust
well
up
into
above this?
2023.
Is it gonna
But by
bust
dollar
up
cost
above
averaging now,
79.19?
you'll be lowering
It's
the
down low
average
again. It's
cost
gonna
of
bust
your
up.
existing positions, making it
Yellow
easier to
markers, yellow
earn a profit
markers.
during
We got
market
'em.
recovery. Now, with passive investing, you're not trying so much to time the market to try and get a perfect buying opportunity. You're just trying to increase how much potentially you DCA during a bear market, because things are cheaper now, and that can result, of course, then in owning a lot more shares, a lot more BTC at lower prices, helping your portfolio grow faster during the next bull market. Now, when you deploy an active value strategy, timing the market then plays a much bigger role. Value investors look for specific moments in markets when assets are basically considered heavily undervalued or on a fire sale, if you will, so they can come and scoop up these highly valuable assets for less than
It's
they're actually
Bitcoin's not
worth.
trending up
When we see
anymore.
times of irrationality in the market. Investors pursue value
It's not good.
investing. They learn to
It's
uncover
reversed.
the
It just
intrinsic
reversed.
value of assets and develop the patience to wait until they can be purchased at prices that are lower than the asset's intrinsic value. Now, active investors understand things like business models in specific sectors that relate to, changes in other markets. They try to factor in these things like interest rates, the increase and decrease in production and money flows, competitive advantages, all this kind of stuff to try to make their investment decisions. Bear markets are a value investor's best friend. Most people don't know where to start regarding value investing. It does take a lot of time to try to learn just one sector, let alone dozens of different sectors, and how they correlate with each other, how the rate hikes correlate to the price of Bitcoin, all this kind of stuff. But that doesn't mean you shouldn't start familiarizing yourself with the strategy, especially now when things are a bit quieter during a bear market.
Hi, dropshippers. It's time to focus on what you do best. So go to Wix.com.
So, if it's a great time to be buying, what are you waiting for? Well, let's talk about the psychology of investing. To the average person, investing is simply buying something to sell it for a profit. Pretty simple, right? But during a bear market, many investors will simply sit on the sidelines in fear, watching the market go down and down and down and down and down, failing to invest until markets start running up again, until prices are back at all-time highs. That's not how you win. Earlier this year, a one-year U.S. government bond paid almost 0%. Now it's paying almost 4%. Look, there's no time like the present to be paying attention. Things are moving fast in the markets. And if you don't know where to start, of course, then passive investing, just dollar cost averaging, that's the way to do it. If you don't have time to dive into all this stuff, just keep it simple, right? But more importantly, you should have a plan, any plan, and execute that plan, right? The best time to invest in your future will always be yesterday. The second best days today. And the longer you invest in yourself, the greater your returns are going to be. One of the biggest mistakes that we've all made is, of course, waiting too long to invest our money. So don't keep making that mistake, especially during a bear market. It's a very interesting time to invest. Look, and no one knows when the market's going to reverse, how much lower we might go, but we will reverse eventually. The key is not to try to, time the market and worry so much about that. In fact, according to JP Morgan's analysts, the 10 best days over the past 20 years occurred after the big declines amid the 2008 financial crisis and the 2020 pullback during the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic. Had someone invested just $10,000 in the S&P 500 on January 1st, 2002, they would have had a balance of $61,685 had they stayed the course up until December 31st, 2021. If instead they missed the market's 10 best days during that time, they would have $28,260, and that's a damn big difference. So be consistent with your investment goals by investing during this period when everyone else is waiting for new highs or they're trying to perfectly time the bottom. You're probably going to be a lot profitable a lot sooner. Now, would you prefer to buy, of course, a $16,000 or a $60,000 Bitcoin? Would you prefer to own Amazon stock for the price that it was 4 years ago, because that's the same price it is right now, or do you want to wait for it to go back to all-time highs? This is why bears are buying.
Bears are buying. Bears.
Investment goal for the next 5 to 10 years and try to execute again on that plan. But more than just buying low and selling high, there is a mental game that you've got to understand when it comes to investing. Now, whether your investment goes up or it goes down, your first natural instinct is going to be an emotional reaction. This will be the first thing that you're going to need to control.
I hate B-roll.
To control your emotions. It's so exciting at the top.
So stupid.
It's so depressing at the bottom. Don't let your investment affect your mental health. If it does, then change your plan. Maybe you're too invested, whatever it might be. Famous investors are always going to tell you that detachment, taking your emotions out, is one of the most essential qualities required for success in markets. So stay the course. Give your investments time to grow and avoid constantly watching the markets, chasing after the newest, hottest trend, following every social media influencer on what they're talking about, and investing the money that you need right now, because you might need that money, right? So it's only extra money you can invest in the markets right now. Whatever you do, just remember, the big boys like Warren Buffett, they're investing now before prices start to rebound. So ask yourself, what are you doing? Okay, that's it. Subscribe now.
Well, crazy eyes at the end. That video.
It's top of the hour. What are you gonna do? It's top of the hour! No law regarding cannabis, Jiminy.
Oh, Christ. Hold on, I'm not loaded. Oh, God.
Bless America.
I'm never ready. I've never been paying attention to it. It's becoming a habit, dude.
Truthier News
Alright,
has 50 subscribers on YouTube.
All right, I got some weed in the bowl and I can light it. All right. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers, everybody. Let's do this. Let's do this. Do this. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Stephen running. Cheers.
Okay. Ooh, 25,200 subscribers on fucking Nays Garden. 25,299. Fuckers.
That was spicy. That was very spicy. You want to buy the food today? Take a pic. And well, yeah, food. Food pairs well with that. Oh yeah.
Josh G. CoffeeZilla might be getting sued by Logan Paul for defamation due to Coffee's 3-part series exposing Logan for scamming with crypto.
Yeah, well, I got news for Logan Paul. He's not going to get anything because CoffeeZilla is tight work, bro. That dude, I guarantee you, anything that he exposed was exposable. Public knowledge. That guy covers his bases. He's really good at what he does. I'm really impressed with that guy. I watch his shows all the time now. It's amazing what that guy, the investigating that guy does. I'm really impressed. Yeah, I don't think Logan Paul's going to get anything. Fucking pussy. Well, he's not a pussy. Like, he's an asshole, man.
Josh G. Oh, I know, bro. It's just been so interesting and funny watching Logan squirm, haha.
God, right? So everyone's got money to throw around, you know. They got their fucking money. They don't give a fuck. They can just sue each other. Fucking, dude, it's crazy. Is this gonna finish the goddamn Head and Shoulders? If this one goes down lower, it's still okay. It'll just take over as the shoulder, but it's gotta fucking recover, man. Plenty of time in the day to do it too, but it should do it right now. Just to make my life easier. I want to go outside and do something, man. I want to put this, there's this one thing I gotta do. It's gonna be fun and awesome. It's gonna be fun and awesome when I do it. This thing that I want to do. I want to do this thing. I got this thing I want to do. I want to do a thing. I got this thing I want to do. It's going to be cool. I'm going to do a thing. Totally doing a thing, man. I'm going gonna do this thing. It's gonna be cool. Did I tell you that? Because I'll tell you again how cool it is. It's got this thing that's cool that I want to do. Yeah. I'll just tell you. Okay. Whatever. I know. You don't have to ask. I'll just tell you. So my waterfall that I built, I had to undermine it to clear out the creek. So I pulled out all the stuff underneath it, and I undermined it, and I let
Late sea fishing. Iced mocha.
all the silt that's on the bottom. It's all cleared out. Looks beautiful. And now I'm just gonna kind of take this one big block of cement. I'm gonna move it over to the other side. Just kind of roll it over. Drop it down and kind of block the water up a little bit with that, because there's already rocks down there, to make it pour over the top again. 7909. 7909. It's low. It's low. It's got to go back up.
Chris Regpick.
That's this.
Hello.
Here, I'll move that over there so you know. This goes with this right here. See, now this should make sense.
Chris Regpick. Can you turn the volume up a little, please?
Yeah, because my microphone's really far away, bro. And I have a feeling that if I just... Oh.
Sometimes I can't do that, actually, to be honest, I was gonna say.
Do what now?
Sometimes I can't hear you on Discord when you lean back a little bit. Sometimes I can't quite hear you. Like, I can hear you, but it's like it cuts in and out. Yeah, like distant. Yeah.
All right, is this any better?
Yeah.
It should make a difference because I lean back, and I mean I could turn up the volume more.
I don't know. I mean, I can still hear you.
La 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 la. Me. Chris Reg pick. 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 My mom's gonna be. What are you doing? Mom's gonna be pissed. She's gonna be. Stop
Chris of the Valley. Chris of the Valley.
Chris of the Valley. Turn off my amplifier. It does not need to be lean on here.
Chris Regpick. Smoking a joint.
How dare you smoking a joint?
Billy Bong Thornton.
How dare you?
Oh, wow, hee.
Billy Bong Thornton's cat is on the keyboard. Oh, he's
Billy
singing.
Bong
I see.
Thornton.
You're singing. I see.
Higher notes, nay. Billy Valentine.
No.
Why don't you buy Marine, Portland cement and go full on Hoover Dam? That shit cures underwater.
Because I'd get in trouble for that. My dams have to be completely breakdownable. Completely. So and they work great. So it's like Legos for big kids. And when you're done playing with them, you just you could pack them up, move them. They're big blocks of cement. It's easy. You seen my shit, bro? You want to check my work, bro? You want to check my work, bro? Oh, that's right. I just removed all of my data off my phone. Whoa, what's that? What's that? What's that? Celsius official community last night filed 3 motions for the January 24th court hearing.
Oh yeah, I've seen it.
Celsius filed 3 motions for the January 24th court hearing, resuming servicing and institutional loans. Number 2, returning about 1.3 million coins that were apparently accidentally transferred to Celsius after the bankruptcy filing. Number 3, crediting customer accounts for Flare drop tokens. We're reviewing the motions that were filed and will provide more info and reactions before the hearing. How about returning the custody coins that Judge Glenn approved? Crooklyn and Ellis and White and Mace put all the other advisors have been paid millions in the past 3 weeks since they have been approved, but they still haven't been distributed. Some good faith needed here. Show more replies. The earned crypto is property of the estate. God, dude, people are pissed. This was hours ago. 21 hours ago.
Billy Valentine. Oh damn, I see, you shouldn't even be talking about your dam. It's I word, in Florida. They call it the fisheries, L word. This comment will now be deleted.
Right. Yeah, it's a non-obstructive dam, which is important.
Josh G. I can't believe we're touching close to 80 over here in NC.
Yeah, I figured out how to build a dam, Billy. It's so cool so that it doesn't... I mean, you can raise the level of the water if you want or not. It's up to you. But you can have a dam with water spilling over no matter what and still have the bottom flowing of the creek so the bottom stays clear. You just have to build a space underneath the dam. You build a space underneath it, a small one that allows leaves and sticks and shit to go underneath there. And as long as that doesn't get clogged up, the bed behind it stays nice and clear. I do so much, bro, with that. I have so much fun. Oh, I was going to show you a video. It's on my computer somewhere. I don't know where it stores these videos at. Actually. Oh, I may have just found them actually. Wouldn't you know it? Wouldn't you know it? Wouldn't you know it? How cool are we, Billy, right now?
Ring tin towel. Make the bottom gap a little larger and put some hardware fluff to act as a filter. Would be easy to clean it periodically and keep critters from getting stuck in it.
Nah, you don't want to put anything unnatural in there.
Ring tin towel. Is it yours, May?
Yeah, that's mine. So I got this turret, basically. It's like I guess a current, I guess a turret. I don't know what you call it. It's probably coming from like back here somewhere or maybe underneath, but it's pumping out over here. And I'm waiting for it to kick all the sand out. It'll become white, you know, and just be just like water shooting through there. And it's so pretty right now. Fish could just swim through there to get around the dam, but it hasn't cleaned out yet, so I'm just waiting for that to happen. It's interesting because it goes in stages. It'll clean out for a while, and then all of a sudden it'll clear up, and then it'll start doing that again. If you look in the creek, you'll see the bottom's got like silt on it. That's all clear now. It looks so nice now. But I'm gonna go out there and fuck with it today, just right now.
Billy Valentine. That looks way better than it did.
Bro,
Oh yeah.
it looks even, bro. It was flowing over the top after this, but I disassembled it, but it was flowing over the top. You should have seen that. There's this right here, that big square in the middle. It's
Billy
down.
Valentine.
It fell over.
Has that creek ever flooded the drive?
No.
Troy Hopkins. Nice property.
Thanks, Troy. It looks like it's just about cleared out again. See that? You can almost see the bottom. Yeah. It'll be cool when it's done. And you'll just see like a boil coming up there. And it'll be clear water. It'll look beautiful. It'll look like a spring right next to the waterfall. Next to the little... I clogged that all up. I put sticks and leaves over it and stopped it.
Josh G. Some palms would be badass around the bank. I'm sure there already is some we just can see.
Yeah, there's different kind of palm trees on the property. There's one palm tree on the creek. Yeah, I think I could see
Sea fishing.
down here where
Creek
it's going
life.
down. I just saw a leaf get vacuumed in and like stuck down there. Yeah, I think I see where the entranceway is. If I put enough
They
pine needles
sea
over that and
fishing.
leaves,
Water's low.
it'll close it down for the most part. But it'll probably just stop up naturally too. It's way lower than it was. Caught up in there. It'll fill itself up, heal itself, and then the water will start pouring over the top probably. Which is, what I'm really looking forward to, because then it'll be nice and loud. Heal. Chia.
Billy Valentine. Okay, hear me out. Down the other side, buy medium koi, then toss them in
Wow,
there.
that is about
Then plant more banana trees
a
just
quarter-pound
downstream.
bass,
Suckers will grow so strong.
almost a half-pound bass. Just when I fired up my camera, swam by. That was so cool. Anyway, I've been down here working for the last 2 or 3 hours, kind of just seal-proofing the dam that I built here, and now it's finally spilling over, and it's beautiful, and I'll show it to you. But I wanted to see if that bass was going to show up again. Just a couple of bluegill down there. They're following the bass around. He's big. That's one of the biggest bass I've ever seen in here. He's big. That's great. Anyway, check this out. This is what I've been working on. Look at those rocks now in the
Pull all
creek.
my beautiful sticks out. I got some more down here.
I got all the
All in
sticks.
this,
I got all
drill
the
barrel.
sticks put up around the house.
Got
Yeah.
some really pretty ones. Anyway, look at this. Isn't that nice, huh? And you'll notice that
Holleride is up 24%.
that spring that was being fed right there with these sticks, and I put a bunch of leaves in there and clogged that hole up.
Ride is up 24%. RIDE.
And it's no longer pouring out from there. But you can see I have a really nice spillover effect here. Making some nice noise again. I've even got this thing pumping water up and out, which is really cool. And then this little beautiful area right here, check this out. I did some more. Look at all these little rocks underwater right here. Isn't that pretty? That's just from me clearing it out down there, and the rocks just built up right there. And then I went down here, and I opened. This was all covered with sand, and you couldn't see it, but there's rock underneath there. So I went down there, and I, with my feet, and I just cleared all that sand out, so you can see that rock area again.
Yeah.
Pretty cool. Little areas for fishes to get into and hide and hang out. Also, this shelf area, this little shelf thing right here, I cleared all of that underneath there. Used my hands and my feet, and I made it really deep. I made a nice area there for fish to get under.
The bananas will grow strong, or the koi will grow strong? Oh, the bananas will from the koi? There are bananas
I
along
saw
the
some
bank
fish
there.
swimming
That's where my
along over
bananas came
here.
from. It's funny you say that.
I don't know if it's that bass or not. Just saw the wakes, you know. But anyhow, this is all clearing up really nicely right here. It's really pretty.
Those koi get eaten
And I'm
so
exhausted,
fast
man.
by a
This is
bear,
why I gotta
bro.
go inside and eat.
They'd be gone in a night.
But I got a nice little video of what I did, and I'm all happy about it.
Because bear. Because bear, bruh.
Yeah, you got a little
Because bear.
sunburn.
Because bear, bruh. Bear, bruh.
That's nice.
It's
It's good though.
Because bear, bruh. Look at the pleasant water as it pours over the side.
Billy Valentine.
It is so
Oh
pleasantly
yeah,
pleasant.
I forgot about the cocksucking bears.
The bears. The bears. Can't have koi. Can't even have them in a pond here in the backyard, bro. Because bears.
You gotta watch about the Florida Bears.
So this upside down head and shoulders, you know, that always results in a drop down and then it goes up. Hopefully that's what's going on right now. And then we get the spike upwards. So hopefully that's what's happening right now. Kind of want to wait and see. because this is what always happens. It seems to go against what the pattern states it's going to do, but then it goes up. Freaking Head and Shoulders pattern formed on Bitcoin. Not good.
Billy
Not
Valentine.
good.
Yeah, if I was a bear and saw a big orangy koi, I'd tuck a napkin in my collar so damn fast.
Not the average bear. Hey, boo boo. We got the picnic basket. Going on a picnic with a boo boo. Dude, Head and Shoulders just formed on goddamn Bitcoin. It's not good. So that kind of goes against everything that Matic is probably going to do. Head and Shoulders on Bitcoin is probably going to drop everything now. So I don't know how far. It doesn't look good. Hopefully not that far. Hopefully it'll respond, then it'll snap back.
Okay.
Okay, that thing shut the fuck up.
Chris Regpig. We got dead salmon everywhere, in the snow. Really beautiful.
What? Were they dead from the bears? Bears killing salmon, bro? The bears. The bulls. We need some bulls. 5 and a 15 quarter, 831. 2 and a 15 quarter, 10, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 832. 2 and a 50 quarter, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 50 quarter, 835 and a 50 quarter, 10, 10, 832. 2 and a 50 quarter, 10, 50 quarter, 5, 5, 50 quarter, 828. 2 and a 50, 10, 50 quarter, 828, 5, 50 quarter, 10, 50 quarter.
Sea fishing.
Doubles.
The bulls.
Salmon run in winter. Why are the dead salmon everywhere? Why are they dead? Why are the salmon dead? Tell me. What killed the salmon?
The salmon now, on top of everything else, now it's the salmon.
30, 829,
It never ends.
830.
Chris Regpig. They reproduce and die.
Oh, really? So, where are the bears at, bro? Aren't the bears there to eat them all? God, dude. That must be crazy. You need to get pictures of that. Put it on, make a video and put it on your YouTube channel.
Chris Regpig. Lay the eggs and sperm in the creek sand. No bears in winter.
Oh, they're hibernating. Damn bears. How about mountain lions, bro? Mountain lions are few and far between, I'm sure. I mean, what's eating those goddamn salmon? Someone's got to eat them. Birds? You get like a bunch of bald eagles come in there and eat all this salmon? They must love that shit.
Billy Valentine. How about Sam Squamson?
Sam Squinches, bro.
Troy Hopkins. What happened in California? Did the fires burn everything up where you used to live out there or what?
Yeah, the fires burned everything up where I lived out there.
I had a
That's
bobcat
exactly what
looking at me.
happened.
The eagles eat them and ravens.
No, luckily it wasn't fires. I just moved back here to be with my parents. Alright, I got stuff I gotta do, man.
Josh G. Bunch of rednecks head out there and pick and choose the ones that haven't rotted yet.
I know I don't look like I'm in any condition to attempt anything but at all right now. But I assure you, that once I stand up, I think I might be okay. There's a 60% chance, 100% of the time, I'm going to be okay.
Chris Regpig. Dog salmon is not that tasty.
60% of the time, it works 100% of the time.
You know,
I'm falling down deeper in my chair as the price of Matic falls even further. Matic, what are you doing? At least we're above 800. But that Head and Shoulders was painful, bro. I mean, I see it. You guys want to see it? I'll show it to you. There's a giant Head and Shoulders on Bitcoin, man. It's not cool. It's not cool, man. Shoulder, head, shoulder. Obvious. Right? Right? Everybody see this? Shoulder, head, shoulder pattern? It's not good. You don't want to see that. You don't want to see this. This is not good. No, we don't want to see that. We're going to cross this all out. Erase it. Make it go away. You know what this does? This makes this go pew to about there. We don't want that, but that's probably about how far it might go. I'm just saying, it's pissing me off. I'm just saying, it pisses me off is all. That's all I'm saying. Palsy wowsy. Nobody's even doing it. Palsy wowsy. Nobody's even doing it. Palsy wowsy. Are we getting a reversal? What? What are we gonna do with the Head and Shoulders? I'm looking at Matic forming an upside down Head and Shoulders and Bitcoin's forming a regular Head and Shoulders. I'm such a noob. I'm so noobish. I have so much more to learn. Alright, I'll learn more. I'll try to learn more. I should probably get some more plexi pieces. I don't know. Anyway, you guys are the greatest of all time. I want you to know that. I found these photographs. It's pretty cool.
Republican leader Kevin McCarthy has hours. And of course, this is not a strict.
Anyway, you guys are the greatest people ever of all time. I love you, and I will see you later. I was waiting for this to reverse, man. I was thinking it will, but I will see you guys soon, okay? And we will be talking about stuff again. In the meantime, I'm I'm on Twitter at Nay's Garden. You should come see me over there at Nay's Garden on Twitter. Bye, guys.